Maybe it's time to stop hoarding some of these car parts and actually install them. Let's install this one first. I feel like this is one of my longest ones that I had. As you can already tell. HC Motionz. You already know. What other parts does HC Motionz sell that I don't have on the car? Can you take a guess? Can you take a closer guess? Well, if you didn't know, you have to open up to find out. I think I had this for quite a bit, like maybe almost a year now, just sitting here. I haven't even opened it to test it out yet, but as you can tell, daytime running lights. So, hopefully it's not the 2017 plus one. Instructions, use a facelift version, so I'm hoping it's not a facelift. Pretty simple. Probably better instructions than the taillights, I would say myself, but so look at that. Even has the app that the taillights didn't have, so that's cool. Well, so far looks pretty simple. Take these out. And oh, the wrapper came out. Looks like the same ones, that's good. Not the facelift version. Oh man, the wrapper came out though. That sucks. And it's dirty in here too. Let me get another hand. That's how it looks. Yes, sir. And that still sucks though. Here's the cards against both sides. And fingers crossed. This one has wrapper still on it. Nice. It's super loose though, but nice, nice. Okay, zip ties too. Ooh, okay, okay. All right, that's how it looks. Got it ready. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Let's air this thing up and remove this front bumper. It's nice because I'm actually getting my engine bay cover painted, so I don't have it with me. So it's pretty bare and naked. Got picking open ECUs right here. Bunch of fuses. Thankfully it hasn't gotten wet yet, because the big open hole, fingers crossed, no jinx. Knock on wood, knock on wood, knock on wood. So, hope I get that back soon from paint. It's pretty much painted, I just gotta wait for me to pick it up, just more of me fault. So, at least everything's open, so it's pretty easy to access these bolts. And the wide body kit, I can go behind the wheel and just remove those, so easy enough. So, I already broke this piece right here for the bumpers. I did the quick release. Gotta press a quick release, remove the front bumper, or remove these. Bumper should pretty much come out. Hopefully I don't have to remove the entire front bumper, but I might have to, which I have to go underneath, and that's gonna suck. So yeah, just like a few bolts here, pull the middle, side bolts from the wide body. Should be pretty easy. Famous last words. I'm gonna pray that this is enough space for me to work, but more than likely, it's not going to be. Mostly because I need to figure out how to, like this one should be good right here, but wiring the two to both sides, I might have to get behind here somewhere. That's a spider egg. So, I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do it. Hope I don't pop that egg, it's gonna go everywhere, it's gonna suck. So we'll see. All right, remove the spider egg. So pretty much there's this tab right here, and this will show me some screws, and the plug is way down here, right here. Plug right there. Let's unplug it, and we should be good to go. Alright, if y'all can see, there's that one screw there, and the other one. Let me see right there. If y'all can see it, right there, right there, and then it should come out. And pretty much there's like little slits right above it that holds the DRL in place, like right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll take it out and show you. See these little slits on the side right here? these right here, these slide into the bumper. So make sure that you in right here too. So make sure you like kind of like pull out and then pull. So and you unclip it right there. And now you repeat. Super cool how they like tied on the zip tie to that screw. That's pretty cool. All right, just gonna put this back in. Same way I took it out. The slits to go in the bumper. That part goes in the bumper and tab in. Then screw 1, screw 2. I will say these are like super light compared to OEM. So weight reduction, bro? Blah, can't even tell. It's kind of picky. I forgot how finicky it was to put it in, but a little bit of play, but not too much. So, all right, easy peasy. Now both of them are in. Gotta cut this wiring harness. Now, you guys know me, I'm bad at wiring. So I was looking at it, I'm like, I wonder if they're, you know, solder oriented. So I look at the manual, and it said, so the short wire harness is inserted into the left side daylight. So I'm assuming driver's side, which is really good, because I think that's where the harness is. And I wanted to put the harness on the left side because spiders are there. So I'm gonna put like somewhere over here. It says so right here, number 3, right there, short wire, and the long wire goes to the right side. So let's do that. And you're probably not supposed to keep this like that, like zip tie, but I'm gonna try to keep it because it looks pretty cool. So let's go ahead and try to figure out this wiring. So let's see, you gotta, obviously this flat one plugs into that flat one. And then I think this one goes into the original harness. Looks like it, maybe? No, these are for, goes into one of these for the turn signals. Yeah. It's like, yeah. Down the other side, this is where it plugs in for the power on the left side only. So, yeah. I know what I'm doing, I think. Not really, but I'll figure it out. So, plug a little screw back in, got that plugged in, and it goes into the small one on the right side, or like your left side like this. But if you're looking right at the right side, the small side, because the plug's really small, so it goes into that. And I believe this hooks up to the turn signal, so. I gotta figure out how to mount this little ballast and loop this all the way to the other side. Forget this one plugs into the original DRL and that gives it the power. Oh man, I'm gay! Plan for wiring. I think right there is a good spot because it looks like it's gonna be pretty empty right here behind it. And then I wired everything from the top behind this little dash bar foam all the way to the other side. But the problem is I can't figure out to zip tie, so, and these wires are pretty thin too, so I don't want to rip it. So I think I'm doing a very long zip tie here, or I'm binding 2, connect it to this hole right here, so at least it holds it. So that's my plan right now. I use like the thinnest zip ties, so I use my own. So I have a long wire there, hooked right here, and right there. See that way it was right here, and this one won't like fall or nothing. So like, let me see if I get the light right here. See, it's like, it's not gonna fall, so. And took the wires behind here, so maybe it can go up, but it won't fall down, so that's good. I want the water to get in it, so just in case. So, all right, it's gonna look pretty. The other side. All right, so on the passenger side, this wire is like super short, so like I had to remove that beautiful screw holding that spot in, and then pretty much it only can sit perfect if it's actually plugged in, like the bumper's actually plugged in. So I can't plug that in. And I think I'm just gonna leave the wire sit. So I'm gonna go ahead and electrical tape. Ooh, I hit the headlight. I'm gonna electrical tape the OEM plug, so water will get into it, and that should be it. All right. No water should be getting into this, so should be good. And then I also zip tied it up, so it's not hanging loose. I zip tie it to the main harness. I'm happy I don't have fender liners because I just kind of went in here. I have fender liners, but I have this part cut off or removed. I just kind of reached in here. I plugged the bumper kind of in, and I just plugged it in. So now it's plugged in. I'm gonna put everything back together. Before that, let's test the signals. That's the most important part. Make sure everything works. Get the keys and just unlock the car. Yes, sir. Ooh, all right. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah. Oh yes sir. Yes sir. We bad day. We bad day. Okay, that's illegal. We gotta change that. But let's put the bumper back on and we're done. Also pretty happy I didn't have to remove the entire bumper. So that's cool. I thought this install was going too smoothly. This thing keeps coming out. Like it keeps pushing in. I don't know why. I push it. I took it out, put it back in. And it's still like that. So I don't know. I don't know if it just built smaller or what, but well, I guess I'll just live with it for the rest of my life. Because it's kind of like on the other side, but it's not as bad. But this side's like always going in and it's super annoying. Look at that. See, I can just push it in. Look at that. What? What? It's like it doesn't get through. This side's not as bad. So this one, see, push it in, nothing. This one I gotta push it in all the way and look at that big old gap. So I have no idea. Since it wasn't sticking on. But bumper's pretty much on. Everything's pretty much good. Everything's tightened that I can aware of. Just this one thing which really sucks, but this is a problem for another day. As long as it doesn't fly away, it should be good on the interstate. I do a lot of interstate driving. Alright, everything's good except for this. Keeps coming in, keeps poking in. Hopefully with the winds of the interstate, it doesn't like push it all the way in. But as long as it doesn't fly out, I guess it's good for a temporary temporarily on. Once I probably have to do some, maybe put the lip out or remove the bumper again for whatever reason. I'll figure out how to fix that. I have no idea because this wire is so tight right here and it's so short on this one. So I can't really keep this plugged in and play with that. So it kind of sucks, but everything's on, so that's good. At least it's not gonna fly away. I know that for sure because there's no way it's gonna come out. This side pretty much perfect. Not gonna bend in, so that's good. You have any ideas for this one? I have no idea. I took it out already and put it back on. Still doing it. I'm about to do it again, to be honest. So, but like I said, plan for another day. This is on, so I want to see it. Let's go ahead and tap the lights and let's see it in the dark. Alright, so like before, same app, light running. Light running right here. Wow, there's two. Oh, there it goes. I was like, what? So I'm gonna have to remember that the 6.1 is for my tail lights and the 97 is for the DRL. So, all right, let's change it. God damn, that's bright. Since before, this one has like way more modes. Like, oh, what is it? 100 modes. Well, 100 does nothing. That's funny. So 100 modes. I'm gonna probably make another video like I did with the taillights for every mode on this because it might take a while to be a long video. But I don't know how legal it is to drive. That's definitely illegal. So, is that even a show mode? Oh, it is a show mode. So I probably want to do green. Like I said, I don't know how legal that is, but so I might just keep it white. But dang, that's bright. This is max brightness, of course, and then there's the lowest max brightness and animation speed up here. And I'll play with it. That's really bright. So, hey, at least it has a better function too. So, it gives it the nice Lexus stare. That's what I call it. See, I want to do green, like I said, but I don't know how legal that is. So we'll see and go from there. But legal purpose, we'll keep it white. Like I said, that's pretty much right down the app pretty much. If you want to see the app video, click on the screen over here, or right over this one over here, whenever the video comes out, and then I'll have the app exclamation name, just like the tail lights, and every 100 mode, like every other mode, all the 100 modes for the DRL. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, the reason I think, I said everything worked good besides that one part. I always things go wrong, but overall, really easy installation. I'm not really much of a electronic guy myself, wiring guy, so the fact I can do this, you can do this too. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Enjoy that Lexus stare, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy and be safe. And ooh, Look at that. Hey, stay safe. Love y'all.